The iPhone 16 series is one of the most anticipated smartphone releases of September 2024. The iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to feature larger displays compared to their predecessors. Apple is rumored to include a new design element known as the Action button, which will replace the traditional mute switch. This button could be customizable for different functions, like launching specific apps or shortcuts. The iPhone 16 series is expected to maintain a similar design language to the iPhone 15, with a focus on premium materials such as stainless steel or titanium for the Pro models. The iPhone 16 series expected to come with the A17 Pro chipset, continuing the trend of high performance. The Pro and Pro Max models will reportedly feature the new A18 Pro chipset, providing even greater processing power and efficiency. One of the standout features of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to be a super telephoto periscope camera with a 300mm focal length, which would be a significant upgrade over previous models. This addition is aimed at improving zoom capabilities dramatically. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus are likely to retain camera sensors similar to those found in the iPhone 15, with improvements in software-driven features like night mode and photonic engine. The iPhone 16 series is rumored to introduce faster charging speeds, with the Pro models potentially supporting 40 West wired fast charging and 20 West MagSafe wireless charging. This would be a notable upgrade from the current charging capabilities. Software features of 16 series. All models will come with iOS 18, which is expected to introduce new features, including enhancements to Apple's AI capabilities, user interface improvements, and more customizable home screen widgets. These details highlight Apple's continued focus on improving performance, camera technology, and user experience with each new iteration of the iPhone. Alright, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me today. If you found this video helpful, entertaining, or just fun to watch, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of this community. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, stay awesome, and have a great day.